2013 5 Series GT. Come in for the CarPlay. So you can come around to the front of the vehicle. You have the CarPlay available here. Obviously we use the scroller to scroll through the menu. Obviously if you go right, we'll have things such as Spotify. Gives us all our recently played tracks. Gives us Waze, Google Maps, or Safari Maps, whichever one you want. Phone calls, messaging, everything will all come through as normal. See, we can do split screen on the very far left, and it is all wirelessly done from your phone. As you can see, I'll skip the track, and it is skipping the tracks on here. There we go.